about a week's time, we would see reminds me of the snake pit in the Indiana Jones movie. Wild. Bang into one of those, buzzing. Look at that one. Isn't that wonderful? That's cool. That's that big boojum tree. I've never seen one that big before.
That's interesting.
Yeah. That's one flowering. Actually, a couple of them are flowering. Tree yucca. Don't sit down. Don't fall down. Watch your step. That's really interesting. Can you get the whole thing? You might have to stand back farther. It's like a
Tree yucca.
yeah.
So be happy that you saw her with it.
Just walk up to the restaurant and come back this way.
Yeah, it's a crested barrel cactus. Wonder what that will look like when it grows up. Oh, it looks like maybe in about a week's time we would see the flowers.
Yeah.
Like the red spikes on there. Look at that. Yikes. Oh my God.
Hey everyone, in this week's video we're continuing this short series taking a leisurely stroll through the Cactus Garden at the Arizona-Sonora Desert Museum. This spot is definitely a haven for cactus enthusiasts, featuring a variety of species native to the Sonoran Desert. We'll share some of our favorite finds, but there's plenty more to see if you come visit in person. More cycling and hiking to come in the following weeks before the fire season begins. So if you enjoy these virtual hikes and walks, don't forget to like and or subscribe for more of these desert explorations. All right, we'll hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next.
fine fire cactus. You're your best cactus player.
Beautiful flowers are growing.
Find out if she's allergic to it. Exactly. Look at this thing.
I got a close-up of one earlier.
Oh, cool.
Walked right up to it. This guy.
A little gnarly.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Look at this guy. I like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one in a sec.
They got the old man of the Andes. I remember like we saw it there.
So it'd be physically impossible
Yeah, that's really cool. I wish I could get a close-up of it.
without getting spiked.
More of those in.
I might have to zoom in and editing.
Alright, we can just walk up there. Ooh, that's pretty.
Who's got the color on that?
Oh, I like that purple. That's a nice break from the green and the yellow, didn't it? A big one. Look at those beautiful colored flowers. Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh, yeah.
jacket prickly pear. That's different.
Oh,
Man, I bet if you touched it, it would have glow kids in it everywhere.
glow kits.
Yeah, the little tiny spikes that you can't see.
Oh, okay.
You get hit by the big one, and then all of a sudden the little one gets you. See the dinosaurs.
Pincushion cactus.
Yeah, all these little ones that are really hard to see when you're out hiking.
Yeah. Can you imagine?
They kind of look like they got growth, don't they?
Yeah.
No, they didn't, but they're drying out. Look at those shapes. There's some sort of mesquite tree. Dwarf organ pipe. God. You know what this reminds me of? The snake pit in the Indiana Jones movie.
Oh yeah. It's like all tangled.
Yeah. Didn't they have these at the botanical garden that we went to?
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
It's pretty scary. I heard the fall on that.
Ooh. Yeah, that was it.
Alright. That, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, nope. Still got a little bit more of this, look.
House of the Rat. It's an odd name. Oh, House of the Rat. I guess
House of
only
the
rats live in it. Oh, check these guys out. They are weird. They're called rainbow hedgehogs. Check these
Oh,
out.
wow. You look at
They
that
look
too.
like little wings coming out of the
Yeah.
ground.
It's unique.
Yeah, look at all the tiny little spikes all over.
I
Good
know.
Lord. Bang into one of those, you'd know about it. They're so cool.
Yeah.
Very
I've
odd.
never seen that before.
Mm-mm.
Aaron, you want to kneel down next to this one too?
You know what we haven't seen? Golden barrel cactus. Joe's cactus. I wonder if they've got one. Oh, they're down there.